can't get on this mumble. Austin, you're looking good. Nice job, Austin. We're on the round robin thing right now. So anyway, it goes around and around. Oh, they pull those things there. And then it's going to go around and around and around. There she goes. Swinging clockwise. No, counterclockwise. Sorry. Spinning right there. Going into the barn. Heading for the barn. Good night, ladies. The movie train, the movie engine, going into the barn.
You had enough?
Yeah.